Most DDR5 kits fail AM5 builders. This one posts first try every time. G.SKILL Flare X5. Have you ever hit the power button on your brand new Ryzen build and stared at a black screen? Heart sinking? You already know it's the RAM. Again. I've been there. Hours lost rebooting, flashing BIOS, swapping kits, only to end up with 5,200 megatransfers per second and constant stuttering anyway. Sound familiar? That frustration doesn't just steal your time, it steals your excitement. Every crash in the middle of a ranked match, every frozen render, every waiting for memory training screen burns deeper. You feel the heat rising, the wallet emptying on yet another compatible kit that lies on the box. What if there was RAM that simply worked? Here's the truth I discovered the hard way. G.SKILL Flare X5 DDR5 6000 CL36. Pop it in, enable Expo or XMP, one click, and you're instantly running the AMD sweet spot at full 6,000 megatransfers per second with zero drama. Low-profile heat spreaders that clear even the biggest Noctua coolers. Hand-picked ICs that don't fold under daily stress. On-die ECC and rock-solid PMIC design that keep errors and crashes in the past. These aren't just specs, they're your new superpowers. Bulletproof stability, snappier timeline scrubbing, higher 1% lows, and a system that boots every single morning without fail. Last month, I threw this kit into a rushed client build with a 7800X3D and NHD15, enabled Expo, walked away, came back to Cinebench scores that made the client grin ear to ear. Done! Thousands of builders and I have been running Flare X5 daily for months. Zero crashes, zero retrains, zero regrets. A lead technician at a major system integrator told me we standardized on Flare X5 because it's the only kit that never comes back. A content creator I know switched from a premium RGB kit and said my 4,000 exports dropped 8 to 10 minutes and I finally stopped babysitting stability. Some worry about price until they calculate the cost of another failed kit, another RMA, another weekend lost. Flare X5 pays for itself the first time your system just works. Imagine never posting to Reddit asking, "Why won't my RAM train again?" You've waited long enough for a PC that feels as fast and reliable as it looks. Tens of thousands of gamers, creators, and professionals have already made the switch to Flare X5 and never looked back. Grab the kit that removed all the question marks from DDR5, link in the description. Click it now, and tomorrow morning you'll boot to 6,000 megatransfers per second without even thinking about it. You deserve that peace of mind.